Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you this look that I really think you're going to like. It's a little bit neutral, a little bit extra, my perfect combination. So I'm going to be doing a brown smoky eye kind of with a little bit of a halo with a red lip, and you have the option of pairing this look with either a nude lip or you can be extra like me and wear the look I'm going to show you. So if you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows and primed my lids off camera. I just did my same brow routine. You know how these are put on if you've kept up with the uploads. We're going to start off with the Perception palette. This is by ColourPop. And I'm going to take a Morphe M506. And we're going to start off with Played Out. I'm going to take that and put that in the crease. First, just dab it in. You're going to take the edges and lightly blend them out. Like I said, this is going to be neutral, and I start off with this super dark color. But anyway, we'll move on. We're going to take a orangey, rusty looking shade from the edge called Revenge. This. I'm going to take this on this type of brush. This does not have a name, so take Revenge. And we're going to take that right on top of that color here and dab it in like so. Alright, and once you got that, you're going to take it in, blend it down also. Okay, so once we've got those blended down, we'll move on to our next shade, which is going to be called Culture. Culture is like this light brown here. I'm going to take this on an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and we're going to use this underneath our brow bone. Lightly tap that in, and we'll make sure that blends out well with Revenge. Alright, so now that we've gotten everything kind of soft and blended, we're going to move on to our eyelid. I'm going to take the back of that same brush I just used and go into the palette again into this color called Shade on the end. It's a really pretty brown with some sparkles. And I'll put that on my actual lid space. You scared yet? Look how dark this is. We're gonna make this a little more daytime appropriate. So I'm gonna take some concealer. This is the ColourPop concealer in the shade 50 and this little brush by Anastasia. It's a number 3 brush. I'm gonna use this to make the halo. So you wanna take this in the middle of the eye. I like to make mine wide at the bottom. Then kind of taper it up. Pretty satisfied with how that looks. So now what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna take Revenge and use that to blend the corners. Alright, so once I've got that blended down how I like, I'm gonna go back in the palette and we're going to take Spill the Tea. Right here, and I'm going to use my finger to put that on. Make sure your hands are clean, of course. I'm gonna just take this on the back of my finger like so. and put that right in the center. This gives me the most like color payoff. Then I'm going to take my brush again. This is the M506. And going with Revenge and blend the edges. Played out. Alright, so once I am pretty satisfied with how my eyes look, I will move on to my lashes and my eyeliner. I'll do that off camera, and then I will be back to speed through the face. This sponge is so hard. This is the Morphe sponge. Don't recommend buying this. For lips, like I said, neutral or red. So first I'm gonna show you a neutral lip. I'm using this LA Color Brown pencil in Velvet Teddy by MAC. If you don't like matte lips, you can add a little gloss. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty gloss bomb. This is the original one. Alright, so say you feeling real extra today. I'm gonna take this MAC pencil in Night Moth and the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick in Uncensored. We gonna get into this red lip.